Want to merge photos on your iPhone quickly? Here's how. Open the Shortcuts app on your device. Next, at the top right corner, click on the plus icon. Now at the top, tap on the shortcut name. A few options will appear. Click on Rename. Type the name you want and tap the tick mark to confirm. After that, in the action bar, type Select Photo and click on the option from the results. Now tap on the side arrow icon. Turn on the toggle next to the Select Multiple option. Next, tap on the search bar. Type Combine Images and tap on the option from the results. After that, click on Horizontally. Select your preferred option. For example, leave it as horizontally or change it to vertically and in a grid. Then tap on the action bar, type Save to Photos, and click on it from the results. Next, at the bottom, tap on the share icon. Here, scroll and look for the Add to Home Screen option. After that, change the background color and symbol of the icon. Once you're okay with the changes, look at the top right corner and click on Add. Now on the home screen, tap on the shortcut. It will redirect to the Photos app. Select the photo, then click on Add at the top right. A confirmation will appear in the dynamic island and photos will be combined. Finally, open the Photos app and check the recent photo. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.